Man presses a switch. Strange things appear in the room. The man has been trapped for a long time. Can only pass time by pressing switches. He presses a button. A toothbrush pops out. Presses another button. Only chopsticks pop out. Angry. He turns and presses a switch. The lights instantly dim. A 10-second countdown appears behind him. Then a giant buttocks descends from above. The man is stunned. In desperation, a powerful air current blows down. A few days later, the man is leisurely reading comics until he reaches the 5th episode. Pressing the switch reveals the 7th episode, then the 8th episode, the 9th episode, but no 6th episode. Press once more. An exit appears behind him, but he doesn't notice at all. After a while he realizes that was an exit. He's overjoyed. Unfortunately, he can't remember which button it was. Can only try them one by one. How strange. Suddenly, a nimble black shadow quickly flashes by. The man thinks he's hallucinating. He decides to find something to eat. A plate of sushi comes out, but can't swallow it without soy sauce. So he keeps pressing. Still gets sushi. The man has no choice. He has to eat it like this. The man finishes a plate of sushi, casually presses a button. Soy sauce appears. The man is furious. He starts trying to leave this place. He presses the switch, makes a running start. Misses by a little bit. He thinks of an idea, takes out a fly swatter to increase his arm length, but can't press the switch. He tries other methods, tries jump rope, sits on a cart to accelerate. All these methods fail. After eating, the man's intelligence is still intact. He brings over a vase from the room. This should work, right? But it's too light. He plans to add water to increase the weight, but the room is targeting him. Water flows directly at him. Can't get into the vase. The little water that remains isn't enough to water plants. The man suddenly realizes he can fill the vase with sushi. He moves to the wall and starts pressing switches. Accidentally fills the bottle completely. Can't move it even with all his strength. Suddenly, he remembers the chopsticks from before. These things are finally useful. Soon, the man removes excess sushi with chopsticks. The vase can be moved by the man. Another problem arises. He forgot which switch opens the exit. He gently presses a switch. Suddenly a black shadow appears on the wall, kicks the vase. The vase instantly splits in half. The man almost goes crazy with anger. He was counting on the vase to open the exit. So, he uses the remaining rice to stick to the switch. The exit actually opens, but the next second, the man breaks down, then decides to give up, while pressing buttons randomly out of boredom. A hanging rope appears in the room. Finally there's a solution. He grabs the rope, steps hard on the switch. With the force of the rope, swings to the edge of the exit.